Hello everyone! Welcome to Trimlink Template Builder. In this video, you'll learn how to create landing pages with AI, import your own HTML templates, improve designs with AI Assistant, add tracking scripts, and publish your page in minutes. First, sign into your Trimlink account and select your workspace. From the dashboard, click Templates in the left sidebar. Here, you'll find all your existing templates, where you can edit, duplicate, preview, or publish them at any time. If you want a faster start, browse the ready-made templates library. Simply copy a premium template, customize it for your brand, and publish it in minutes. For this demonstration, we'll create a new template using AI by clicking Design from Scratch. Trimlink comes with a powerful AI template generator that can create complete landing pages from a simple text prompt. Choose a suggested category or describe your project in your own words. For example, you can create a SaaS landing page, restaurant website, event page, online store, business proposal, and much more. Once your prompt is ready, click Generate. In just a few seconds, Trimlink AI builds a complete page layout with sections, content, styling, and structure already in place. This gives you a professional starting point without writing any code. Already have a landing page built elsewhere? No problem. Trimlink allows you to import your own HTML templates directly into the builder. Simply paste your HTML code or upload your template file. After importing, the page becomes fully editable, allowing you to update content, styling, and layouts using the visual builder. This makes it easy to migrate existing projects into Trimlink. Once your template is ready, you can make it even better using the built-in AI assistant. Simply describe the changes you'd like to make. For example, you can ask the assistant to improve typography, modernize colors, enhance call-to-action sections, or create a cleaner layout. The AI analyzes your design and automatically applies improvements based on your instructions. This helps you create professional-looking pages much faster. For marketing campaigns and performance tracking, Trimlink supports custom JavaScript and analytics integrations. You can easily add Google Analytics 4, Google Tag Manager, Metapixel, conversion tracking scripts, and other marketing tools. This allows you to track visitor activity, measure conversions, and collect valuable campaign insights directly from your landing pages. Before publishing, use Preview to see exactly how your page will appear to visitors. Review your content, layout, and overall design to make sure everything looks perfect. When you're ready, click Publish. Your template is instantly added to your workspace and can be used across your campaigns and Trimlink short links. Creating professional landing pages has never been easier. Thanks for watching. Visit trimlink.ai to learn more and start building today.